Today we're taking a closer look at this advanced 12-inch rearview mirror dash cam system, designed to provide complete vehicle coverage using 4 cameras recording at the same time. This setup includes a 4K front camera along with 3 full HD cameras for the rear, left, and right sides, giving you a full 360-degree view around your vehicle. The large 12-inch touchscreen display replaces or mounts over your existing rearview mirror, providing a clear and modern interface for real-time monitoring and playback. With a wide 150-degree viewing angle, each camera captures more detail and reduces blind spots while driving. One of the standout features is blind spot detection, which helps alert you to vehicles approaching from the sides. This adds an extra layer of safety, especially on highways and during lane changes. The built-in GPS tracking allows you to record driving routes and speed data along with your video footage. The system also supports loop recording, so older footage is automatically overwritten, and a G-sensor that locks important clips during sudden impacts or accidents. Night vision technology ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions, while reverse assist mode helps when parking. Installation is flexible, with a bracket to replace the original mirror or straps to mount over it. The system supports storage up to 256 gigabytes, making it ideal for long recording sessions.